Air-Clips.com.
So let's have flaps 1.
Speed check. Flap 1. Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 5.
Speed check. Flaps 5.
We are not yet in path 2500 and above. It's in the box and we have set 3000.
Be aware, Lipa is only 4 miles from the final approach fix.
Yeah, checked.
After Lipa you can go down to 2500 or whenever come.
Flaps 10.
Speed check. Flaps 10. You are safe to set 2500 now.
Checked. 2500 is set.
Checked. You have 6 miles to the final approach fix.
Checked. And we need less. That's good. Lipa, final approach course 223 confirmed.
226 within limits.
Checked. And we can have now gear down flaps 20.
Speed checked. Flaps
2500.
Southern 948, established RMP 2 to left.
Southern 948, the wind 230 degrees, 4 knots, maximum 6, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2 to left, Southern 948.
Okay.
3 miles to the final approach fix, you can set the minima.
The minima
1100.
is 1100 set. We are in path, so we're good. Flaps 25, landing checklist.
Speed checked. Flaps 25 and landing checklist. Cabin.
Secure.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
25.
Landing test complete. You are clear to land.
Thank you. Clear to land. Lights on.
Legs on my side. Flight plan is in sequence.
Focus 2 on mine. Okay, great. So runways in sight. And if you just go over the distance and altitude just to see that we are
passing the final approach fix Lima 2 to Lima Fox 2500. You're on profile.
okay, fantastic, thank you. And he said the wind was
The wind check, Southern 948.
220 degrees, 4 knots, maximum 6.
okay, headwind. Alright, fantastic, you're happy I go hand flying?
I am happy and you are more than 300 below the missed approach, so we can set 3000.
Yes, set 3000 for me please. Manual thrust, manual flight.
3000 set. 1000 stable.
Continue, and what's the mileage? Are we still on profile?
Mileage is not given, but you are on profile.
Okay.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
500 minutes.
Landing reject.
One 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Still a bit fast for Charlie 1, so we'll just take Charlie 0 if you're okay.
80 knots.
Checked.
60.
Checked. Manual brakes.
Auto brake disarmed.
So the 948 next right on Charlie 0, cross runway 22 right, November 1, Delta 1, stand 122.
Clear it. We'll make a right on Charlie 0, cross runway 22 right, November 1, Delta 1, stand 122, Oceania 948.
Airclips.com